This is the future. Maglev or the magnetic train is one of the greatest scientific revolution. This train runs on the concept of magnetic levitation, that is, like poles of magnets repel and unlike poles attract each other. The maglev uses two sets of powerful magnets. Due to repulsion, the train levitates from the track, and due to lack of friction, it accelerates and decelerates much faster than the conventional train. In 2002, the Shanghai Maglev train has a top speed of 430 km per hour, covering a distance of 30 km in just 7.5 minutes. In 2015, the Japan Maglev recorded the highest speed of 603 km per hour, becoming the fastest train in the world. Hope you enjoyed this video. More stunning videos are on the way. Till that time, stay tuned. Bye bye.